Francis and Miss Kim to celebrate with you all. And being in this line for 19 years, my best advice to all the contestants is just be yourself. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment on stage. Because when you enjoy yourself, everyone else will too. So I wish you all the best. And thank you so much for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Hi. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Thank you for the Zomi Association of Malaysia inviting me here for your festival of the Khuado Maui. So I'm very happy to be here, to be your judge as well. I'm honored to be here. And to all the contestants today, a very good congratulations to you all. And yeah, like what Belle said, enjoy yourself. Enjoy this moment. Yep. Thank you.
Hello everyone, it's so good to spend Hari Raya Haji in a room full of new friends. Thank you Francis and your team for inviting us. As a performer and an artist, it's very important. I feel that it's an important part of being a person and being a performer and being a human to share culture and to exchange ideas and to be part of this community and activity called living in Kuala Lumpur. So thank you for having us, and I want to congratulate every single one of you young people, they look very, very young, for celebrating this festival in such a meaningful way, is to take yourself out of your everyday life and to put yourself under the spotlight and on stage to be scrutinized by people. But I just want to say my only advice is, like what Bella said, is to be yourself, is to have fun being yourself, and every time when you're under the spotlight is to tell a story, whatever that story is. As long as you have something to tell the judges and your friends, I think that alone is a winner. Every time when you have something to say, that alone is winning of being a human. Thank you.
Thank you very much. On behalf of the Zomi community in Malaysia, thank you very much. We really appreciate. We hope to see you next year. Please come again. Thank you very much.
Zomi Zotaang Khuado Malaysia. Hima sona adi manina no kem ko kamaya om Zomi kitim ko tunga lungdam thong masai. To bana hibangina tidam lungno sinom taka ongom pi kanula kapa. Hibangina kain mama Zomi Zotaang Khuado thejingina hun hoi hun phang pya to pa sian tuan song lungdam thong noming. Lungdam mama inji bek kamal bek ongjen thay lungdam. Zotaang Khuado Malaysia, happy Zotaang.
Photogenic awards given to Pao Malaysia. เวลาจะหมวดก็จะหมวดในไม้เข้ามาโจมิได้เป็นหมวดรวยมากๆที่หมวดเลยหมวดที่มาจะกินหมวดรวยรุ่นกันเลยแบบนัสโนดีนัสสมาในไม้เข้ามา
Zomi buk wong lam sang dia ya to ka siya na to orang ko masabeng kitjay na lai to ke saya buat sa kan ulah ka pa